In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Instagram. Begin by opening up Instagram and going to your profile and then tap those three lines up in the top right to open up your settings and activity. Go ahead and select Account Center up at the very top and you're going to see a section that looks something like this. Select Profiles and Personal Details and find your Instagram account. Open up that Instagram account and then select username or name depending on whatever you want to change. In this case, we're doing our username itself. And this is where you can actually adjust your username right here. So go ahead and type it in. Make sure that it is available. If it's available, you're going to see a green check. If it's not available, it's going to be a red X. But hit done whenever you're done. And then, of course, it'll edit that username for you. And it really is as simple as that. Your Instagram username will now be updated. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.